$10 for watching a video or taking a survey? With Swagbucks, it is absolutely real. If you have free time and a phone, you can already earn money every day. Swagbucks is a popular platform for earning money, where you get money for the simplest actions. Watching videos, participating in surveys, shopping online, and even searching for information on the internet. Each action earns you points that can be easily converted into real money or gift cards. Here is how it works. You install the Swagbucks app and create an account. You choose interesting tasks, watch videos, answer questions, or just search for something on the internet. You complete them and immediately get points that can be exchanged for money. And now the most important thing, watching a video or participating in a survey can bring $2 to $3. Performing tasks regularly, you can easily earn $5 to $10 a day. And for a month of active work, you can accumulate $100 to $200. Money can be withdrawn via PayPal or received in the form of gift cards for popular stores. Don't forget to subscribe. See you soon.